Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I am going to share with you just the close-up and the review of this particular eyeshadow palette, that is Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist Eyeshadow and Blusher Palette. This product is actually a new launch from Swiss Beauty, and as you all must be knowing, I am very fond of Swiss Beauty products because they are really very affordable, and along with that the quality is not at all compromised. The quality is amazing. So that's why friends, I was so much tempted to buy this particular eyeshadow palette because there are so many colorful shades in this palette, and I don't have any palette which has all the matte and colorful shades, so that's why I purchased this. Friends, today I am just going to share with you the close-up, the pigmentation, the swatches and everything, so that you can decide whether you should take this palette or not. You can see the packaging. The packaging is so beautiful. This is the outer cardboard packaging. It's written Swiss Beauty Fashion Artist Eyeshadow and Blusher Palette. So on the back also so many details are mentioned. You can read by yourself. You can pause and read by yourself. And down here you can see the ingredients are mentioned, and there is talc, mica, there is also paraben in this particular product. So retails for rupees 499, but I have got this for rupees 449 from Amazon, and we are getting 30 grams of product in this, and we are getting 4 years of shelf life to use this product, which is a pretty long period. So we can use this palette for so many days. And this is a cruelty free product, and the shade number is 04. So friends, this eyeshadow palette is available in 5 shades currently. Before there were 3 shades, but the shades 04 and 05 are new launches from Swiss Beauty. As you can see, the inner packaging is like this. On the back also the same details are mentioned that we are getting on the outer cardboard packaging. So everything is mentioned. So if we are throwing the outer cardboard packaging also, we can see the expiry that is mentioned over here. So now you can see the shades, friends. The shades are so pretty, so gorgeous. It is so colorful, friends, so vibrant, and there are good pastel shades in this eyeshadow palette. So that's why I took this palette, friends, truly speaking, because I don't have any eyeshadow palette which has so many pastel shades and matte and colorful shades actually. That's why I took this palette for that reason only. And up here you can see there are 16 eyeshadows, there are 2 blushes down here and 1 contour shade. And this particular palette you can use as a blush, as a contour, as even to fill your eyebrows, because here a dark chocolate brown shade is given. You can mix these 2 shades, this black and brown, to fill your eyebrows as well. And only one shade over here, you can see this is the only shade that is actually shimmery, and I can say it is a satin shade actually. And this one you can use to highlight your inner corner of eyes and eyebrow bone, and it can also be used as a highlighter. And rest all the eyeshadows that are given in this palette, including the blushes and the contours, everything is matte. And friends, nowadays it is also on trend. I have seen many celebrities like Hina Khan, Kareena Kapoor. They also are going for these colorful shades on their eyelids. It gives such a different look actually, unique look. So you can try such type of shades to create any daytime or nighttime looks actually. And you can also create smoky eye look using this palette, because there is this brown shade and this black shade given over here. And on a daily basis also, if you are creating any eye makeup look, then also you can use this palette, because there are these light blush shades which you can definitely buff on your whole eyelids, and it will look beautiful. You can use these shades as well on your eyelids, this orange shade, this light pink shade, and these shades also you can use on a daily basis. Then they will not look bad, and you can create many eye makeup looks using this palette. So now I'll be showing you the pigmentation. You can see, friends, they are buttery smooth, friends. Truly speaking, I don't expect such a quality at such a price, friends. And you can see these shades, they are not at all chalky. The pigmentation is amazing. So I'll just swatch some shades so that you can see. So friends, you can see the pigmentation of the first 4 shades down here, and that highlighter shade has little bit of pink undertones. It is such a pretty shade. Wow, I just liked it so much. These are matte shades, so definitely you can use any brush, any blending brush, and you can blend on your eyelids directly, or you can also use any flat shaded brush to apply them on your eyelids directly. So you can see these are the next 4 shades, that yellow one, that green, that purple, and that orange. So you can see the shades are little bit powdery, so definitely they are going to blend well on eyelids. So friends, you can see these are these 4 shades down here, as you can see. These shades are also pretty pigmented. So friends, the next 4 shades also you can see the brown, the peachy sort of shade next to it, the black shade and the burgundy sort of shade. So these are all the 4 shades you can see. These are the 3 shades. These are the 2 blushes, and the first one is the contour shade. Contour shade is actually a cool toned shade, and the 2 blush shades are also really good. This particular blush shade will really look very pretty on darker skin tones, and this one will look pretty on fairer skin tones, and the contour shade will only be visible from fair to medium skin tones only, so it might not be visible on very dark skin tones actually. So coming to the blushes friends, they are matte and they look very pretty, and the pigmentation is also very high, so you need to be careful while applying on your cheeks. I would suggest always apply these eyeshadows only after applying a good concealer or a good eye primer on your eyelids, because if you will follow those steps, then they will even pop more and they will give more color pigmentation, intense color pigmentation on your eyelids. Friends, truly speaking, I will give 9 out of 10 points to this particular eyeshadow palette. Because the pigmentation, the blendability, everything is good. The color combination, color choices, shades are really good, and it is such a pretty palette. The only thing that is missing is there is no mirror in this packaging, so that is one thing, and there is also no applicator given in this particular palette. So friends, I highly recommend this particular palette. You can go ahead and definitely purchase this eyeshadow palette. You will not at all regret buying. So if you want to see a complete eye makeup look using this particular makeup palette, then please comment down below. I'll definitely do it for you in some other video. If this particular video is really helpful to you, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such amazing videos, and also please give it a like and share if it is helpful. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.